So let me put test it. So today we'll discuss about so Tosca versions, Tosca versions. So there are like we can Tosca versions are divided into two types. One is before 15.1 versions. So there will be like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 versions are there. Next after 15.1 versions. 16, 16 version, 2023.1, 2023.2, 2024.1, 2024.2. The latest version is the market is present version of Tosca is 2025.1. So now if we categorize these things, so before 15.1 versions, like there are like 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 versions are there. So after 15.1 versions, Tosca has has given the tremendous output in the market by giving like Vision AI, Vision AI and Gen AI, generative AI features in Tosca. So like Vision AI and generative AI features are used in Tosca from 16.1. Vision AI from 15.1. Okay. So these things they have implemented in these versions from 15.1. Vision AI and generative AI is like some deep algorithm, deep LLM models like that they have implemented. So now let me open the task like these are about the versions. So now let us discuss about the Tosca workspaces. Workspaces in Tosca. Workspaces in Tosca. Oh, literally like workspace, they're classified into two types. One is single user workspace and multi-user workspace. Okay.
Mm.
So what is a single user workspace?
Only one person will go.
Yeah. You know about this single workspace and multi-use workspace?
No.
Just by
Normally in a
naming,
project, no, like yeah, like in
yeah.
normally we'll for project we'll work multiple persons, no? Like multiple testers.
Mm, mm.
That's like I
One is one single user will be working in this workspace. Multiple users will be working in this workspace. Okay. Single workspace, multiple users. Let me open the Tosca now.
meanwhile can I ask one question now?
Yeah, yeah, please.
Like you told about Vision AI and Gen AI, those
Mm,
versions, now. Like
mm,
in what cases we'll use those? Like no, normally we have all the modules automatically, right, in Tosca. Like
mm, mm.
we can use those modules without any code. And in what cases we'll use this Gen AI and Vision AI options?
Actually, when they will use means, suppose application build is not ready.
Mm,
So by using screenshot, by using images,
mm.
we can use it. We can use it for scanning the application.
If
Okay.
you upload
So
the image also, like if we can able to scan.
yeah, yeah. Even I also didn't try it, but we'll see in the coming classes
Mm,
if it's
okay.
possible. We'll see. Okay, like image through image, text images will be there, no? That
Yeah.
sample images.
Sample images.
Yeah, with that there will be like it will identify based on that property of means
Mm,
like the icons and these things.
mm,
So with this it will identify and it will do it. But I don't know it is how it will work. Means like the success rate 100% is not. I don't know.
mm,
But there is also one feature is there.
okay.
Yeah.
Think we never use na like
No, no, no.
this
We
kind of
never
thing.
used. Yeah, in our project also we never used.
Mostly we will use those
Mm.
default modules only.
Mm. Right. Default things only will be used. So here create new will be there. Okay. So if you click on create new, see here there are select type of repository is there. If you select none, it will be single user workspace. If you click on this drop down, you'll find SQLite, Oracle, MS SQL, DB2 like that.
Mm,
Okay, so these other than none, others are all multi-user workspace. So in real time, we'll not use single user workspace. We'll be using multi-user only. For example, your project might be using MS SQL. So we'll use connection strings like this: server, database,
mm,
user ID, password, and then we'll test connection. If your connection is successful, it will establish a connection will be established, and we can yeah. Now there is no connection, no? So that's why it's showing like this. Okay,
okay.
and select name of the workspace. The workspace name will give, and then we'll give workspace template. Yesterday, have you seen like while while scanning the modules, standard modules is there, no?
Mm, mm.
Standard modules are there, right?
Yeah.
So those kind of standard modules are will be used. So like that, so standard modules will become with if you select this one, the standard templates uh, will be selected.
Mm.
Okay. So I will give the name as demo November, demo November, create single user workspace. If you click on OK, if you click on OK, workspace means, right, the particular, uh, whatever the project did, everything will be stored in this thing only, in this workspace folder.
Okay. It's like a folder where we store all the
Yeah,
test cases and all.
yeah. All the Tosca related things will be stored in that workspace. Now let me click on OK. So it will create a new workspace. New workspace is getting created. Generally, it is only for test. I mean, practicing demo and all these things only. We'll be using single user workspace. But because there won't be any, these options will be disabled. Update all, check in all, checkout tree. These options will be disabled in the single user workspace. Suppose in a team where there are like 4 5 members, team is there. So all working in the same project. So they will not be using this single user workspace. Instead, they will be using multi-user workspace. Okay. Yeah. So here, like there'll be different types of sections will be there. Okay. I will explain this in it. Okay, this is about now. Let me create multi-user workspace. So Tosca has its own multi-user repository, that is SQLite. Select this one, SQLite. Create workspace. Here we'll give workspace name as multi-user, multi-user number. Okay. You don't need to select use the workspace template because by default everything will be coming. And here, if you see the option here, create slim workspace is there. No?
Mm.
Select this create slim workspace. If you select means like in real time, some features will be enabled and I mean, some features will be disabled. Only while pressing that particular thing only it will be enabled. Why? Because it will save the, in order to save the performance it will be in a means like it will be disabled.
Okay.
Like suppose in past in previous few years back there used to be Facebook Lite, right?
Mm. Yeah.
Facebook Lite and Facebook
Facebook.
app will be there. Facebook Lite is for light users
Mm-hmm. Mm.
because Facebook Lite means only if you only particular only if you tap on that particular uh, post only it will be opened. Rest all everything will be in a disabled state. I mean, like it will be in a disabled state. The same way it is also like that only. So if you click on create slim workspace, um, one second, is there a thing we are missing? Create full path. Okay, so I think create slim workspace is not SQLite we cannot
Or
create maybe.
Oracle.
Oracle we can create, but the problem is we have to give constant strings.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
That we not Oracle
Credentials for me.
database we have to set up.
Mm.
Yeah, SQLite is by default it will be inbuilt option. like that. So no need of any slim workspace.
like like we cannot create a multiple workspace, no? Or
We
for
can create multiple workspace, but here use existing repositories there, no?
Mhm. Okay.
Yeah. If you
That is
select
single
this
user
option,
workspace only,
if you
right?
select this one, we create same workspace will be enabled. So there will be there is an interlink between use existing repository and we are creating new repository. We are not creating new. We are not linking to existing repository. In Oracle or MS SQL, we can create. That's not a problem. So here we are creating a new workspace, right? So use workspace template. Okay, and then click on OK. See, it will ask for username and password, admin and password. Click on login. By default, it will like you have not set up any password or something, not required also.
Mhm.
In real time, you'll get your name. Your name will get. So you see here, these options are enabled now.
For multiple workspace, like multiple user workspace, like check in all options are enabled.
Yeah, check in, check out, these update all. Yeah, these options are enabled. I'll explain about these things in the
Mm.
coming slides. These are very important actually. So actually, these things, project home, view, tools, versioning, test case are there, no?
Mm.
These are called menus, menus, and these are called ribbons. This one, delete, search project, search scratchbook object. These all things are ribbons. And if you see here, test cases, modules, requirements, test cases design. These all things are called sections. These configurations, test planning, and data testing, integrity testing, these three things are not required. We will be using only these things only. But let it be. Will explain sections concept. I'll explain more detail. And down here, ready. User is admin. If your name will come, if that is your workspace. Instead of admin, you'll get Venkatesh or my name or anything. That means like our own workspace, like
Okay.
that. So this is about the creation of workspace and icons, menus, and all these things. Okay.
Okay.
So that's about the single user and multi-user workspace. So today, let's keep our session short because tomorrow I'll be traveling. I have to travel to, let me stop the recording.